Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. So, today I want to talk about the number one concern for nonprofits. And similar to small businesses, nonprofits are concerned with predicting revenue. As with small businesses, nonprofits have to deal with inflation, also what's going on in the business sector, such as strikes in the auto industry, and particularly with government funding ending. So many nonprofits benefited from the PPP loan. However, of course, that is now gone away. And also, nonprofits that receive federal grants, some of those grants have been cut. And not only are they being cut, but they're going to be cut probably for the next couple of years. And so nonprofits are really concerned with how do they predict revenue, because this also affects not only grants, but also even individual donations. So as we know in the nonprofit sector, everyone is applying for grants. And then also everyone wants individual donors to provide, really a monthly reoccurring donation. But how do you actually predict revenue, particularly if you're a nonprofit? And I want to provide some tips on how to help you predict revenue. So, number one, you want to ensure you understand your cash position. And what I mean that for nonprofits, many nonprofits rely on grants. You need to understand the timing of when you're going to receive that cash. This is very important. Number two, you need to understand, is this is a grant that is reimbursable, or is this a grant that's going to be just directly deposited into your account? So that all affects your cash flow. So you want to understand, okay, when is the actual cash, when that actual grant is going to be deposited into your account. Also, with the holiday season coming up, predicting cash that's going to come in, and then how is that going to help carry you over for the next couple months? Many nonprofits, probably from that February to maybe April, it's pretty slow with individual donations. So you want to be looking at your cash flow. You want to create a cash flow report so you can understand, estimate what could be possibly your cash position so you can be proactive. Number two, use technology. Many nonprofits are still using Excel, or maybe not even an accounting software that gives them financial reports. So use technology to your benefit so you can actually produce financial reports to tell you what's going on, particularly what's coming in and what's going out. So also, so you can also be able to produce a balance sheet or statement of net assets. That's what that balance sheet is called in the nonprofit sector. So use technology to your benefit. You also want to use technology to your benefit so you can track donations, particularly for individuals. You want to be able to send them thank you notes, create an email distribution list to keep them updated. So if you're a small nonprofit and you cannot afford a CRM, good old Excel is perfect, so you can keep track of donations. So if you're using, even if you're using Stripe or some type of merchant processor, those names and emails are in that website. So make sure you're using technology to the benefit. Number three, lean on your board. This is where a time where the board needs to level up and having an honest discussion about board responsibilities. And it's not just about, okay, go raise money. It's about using their resources, their network to get the nonprofit's mission out, to creating relationships. And once those relationships are created and established, now having going in and saying, okay, would you like to donate? Would you like to volunteer? So there's many things that the board can do, but this is a great time to have an honest discussion with your board or if you're a board president, with other board members saying, okay, we need to raise funds. We need to maybe, the nonprofit needs, help with HR, like an HR consultant to come in and do a handbook, whatever the case may be. We need to start using our network and resources to helping the nonprofit in not only with the cast position, but in other areas. So once again, I think this is a perfect time for the board to level up. So similar to small businesses, nonprofits also struggle with cash flow, but I think for nonprofits, this is a great opportunity to reevaluate and plan for the future. So we all know that those that you're serving need your services, need the type of programming that you're offering. So use this as an opportunity, use that as motivation to stick with it and strategize for the upcoming 3 months. I should say, yeah, upcoming 3 months for the remainder of the year, and go into 2024 stronger and better than you did in 2023. So if you're struggling with maintaining your books, or need training in nonprofit finance, please contact us for a free consultation so we can see how we can help you. Hopefully, you find this information helpful. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and we'll see you next time.